Hey guys, what's up? It's Caleb here, and today I'm going to be opening some packages that I ordered. So this is all shoe cleaning and like restoration supplies. I'm going to be using this stuff in the next video where I will be cleaning these infrared Jordan 6s. I bought these off eBay for like 25 bucks, and I'm going to be restoring them. But that's not what we're doing in this video. Right now we're going to be opening all these packages. So I'll start with this one. So this one got this thing. This, I believe, is the paint that I ordered. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it is. So this is the Angelus 2014 Infrared. It's like one of the collector edition paints. And yeah, so this one's the 2014 Infrared. And it'll go on these because these are the 2014 Infrareds. So that's what I'm going to be using to repaint the midsole on those. So that's the first thing that I got. Second thing is there's a bunch of stuff in here. So first thing is the Jason Mark Premium brush. It's made out of like hog hairs. Yeah, hog hairs. And that's for like more delicate materials like suede and Durabuck, that kind of stuff. These are Durabuck, so I figured I would get this for them. And then I also got the Jason Mark Suede cleaning kit. And this isn't really for the shoes I'm going to be restoring. Just for these suede Jordans that I have. Because I don't have anything to clean those with right now. So I can't use my other brush, it's too hard. So, or like too stiff. So I bought a suede cleaning kit for that. And then the final thing is, there's my scissors. Final thing is a, if I can get it open, there we go. It is open. Some Angelus suede dye. So you can use this suede dye on really anything that's kind of like suede. So I can use it on the Durabuck of the 6s. Durabuck is kind of like suede. It's like, I don't really know, but it's just like suede. So I'm going to be using that to clean the Durabuck on there. And the final thing is this like Slong Care 40, and this has this this will make these soles all icy again because they're like yellow right now. So you just like plop a bunch of this on the sole and then put it out in the sun, and it'll make it all icy again. And then I think it's like there's like hydrogen peroxide in this, and it like does some stuff to the sole, and it makes it all good again. So get ready to see me restoring the 2014 Infrared Jordan 6s. That'll be coming up next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and hit the bell to be notified for all my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.